Now, this is not a get rich quick. This is not a blueprint, right? I'm just showing you guys what I did and how I do it. What you do with that information is completely up to you and not in my control.
Hello, and welcome to Legal CPN. In today's video, we are pulling back the curtain on gaining automotive financing using your CPN. We will detail exactly how you can use your CPN to not only secure an auto loan, but to obtain significant financing for the vehicle you need. Let's be honest. For most people, a car is a necessity. It gets you to work, transports your family, and is a key part of a functional life. And in most cases, acquiring a car means securing automotive financing. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, understanding this process is critical. Now, before we dive into the how to buy a car with a CPN, we need to deliver a crucial message about responsibility. This is the most important part of the entire process. A word to the wise. Do not buy a car that you cannot afford. Just because you can get approved for a large loan does not mean you should. You must have a clear and honest understanding of your own budget and financial capabilities. Furthermore, remember that every car needs to be insured. The total cost of ownership isn't just the monthly car payment. Insurance rates vary dramatically based on the car's value, its original manufacturer's sales price, your location, your age, and your driving history. A car that seems affordable on the surface can quickly become a financial burden once you combine the monthly loan payment with the corresponding insurance premium. Our primary message is this. Although you may be able to purchase a $100,000 European luxury car, if you cannot comfortably afford the total cost, you should strongly consider a vehicle that fits easily within your budget. Financial stability is the true luxury. So, how does the CPN car buying process work? In a perfect world, buying a car with a CPN is typically an easy, three-step transaction that can often be completed in a single day. Okay, now let's walk through the ideal scenario of purchasing a car using your CPN. Step 1. Access and understand your credit profile. The first thing you need to do is access your credit profile through any major credit monitoring service. You must ensure you have a visible credit profile. When you apply for an auto loan, the dealership's finance department will pull your credit report. They need to see a history they can evaluate to grant a credit approval. Step 2. Establish reporting trade lines. Next, your credit report needs to show active trade lines. These trade lines establish your credit history and generate your credit score. They are the proof lenders need to see that you can manage debt responsibly. If you need to establish or strengthen your primary trade lines quickly, we can help. Please refer to our website where you can find mortgage trade lines and several combo trade line packages. These are designed to help you quickly and easily add the necessary reporting history, boost your scores, and establish a solid foundation of primary trade line accounts. Step 3. Verify everything yourself. Before you ever set foot on a dealership lot, you must pull your own official credit report. You need to personally inspect it to confirm that everything you expect to see is listed correctly. This prevents any surprises and ensures you walk in with confidence. When you have a verified credit profile with accounts listed and a solid credit score, purchasing a car becomes that simple, straightforward 1-2-3 process. Successfully obtaining an auto loan is also a powerful tool for your financial future. It's a fantastic way to boost your credit scores even further and build a positive payment history. This strong history paves the way for future credit approvals, including even larger automotive financing or other major capital purchases. Now, in this public video, we have outlined the foundational blueprint. However, publicly revealing the specific, proprietary steps for using your CPN to navigate the process and purchase $100,000 cars needs to be safeguarded because this information is incredibly valuable. In fact, we recently sold out a live seminar in Chicago, Illinois, where we charged $1,500 per person to teach these exact same strategies. Today, we are making that same powerful knowledge available to you. Not in a seminar, but as a full PDF copy of the seminar instructional information. Same information, same education, instant download for a reduced price. This exclusive guide provides the step-by-step process for buying a car using your CPN. But that's not all. When you purchase this guide today, you will receive 2 additional, powerful blueprints, absolutely free. First, you will get our exclusive guide on how to buy a house using your
59
CPN.
years.
This is
Plus
the same
tax.
blueprint we have used to make millions of dollars in real estate over the last 20 years. If you want more of the house buying CPN secrets, this purchase is for you. Second, you will receive another of our
Price includes
groundbreaking
delivery.
seminar information series.
Delivery.
How to make
Wherever you're going to display it.
$100,000 using your CPN.
Display.
Let's face it,
Hell, I'm gonna
in today's
drive it.
economy, everyone is searching for reliable cash flow, money, and funding. People ask us every single day, how can I get money, loan funding, and cash right now? Not everyone needs a car, but everyone needs extra money and cash. This powerful guide is designed to answer that exact question. It reveals the straightforward steps you can take to leverage your credit and secure loan funding quickly. You do not need to pay the $1,500 that people paid for the live seminar. You can get that same information right here, today. Gain instant access to the complete seminar materials with a simple downloadable PDF purchase from our website. This is your chance to learn the secrets of accessing money, loan funding, and cash immediately, all while saving a significant amount. This is your opportunity to unlock the cash flow secrets of the pros. You will learn how to buy a house, how to buy a car, and how to make $100,000, all by leveraging your CPN. The link to get started is listed below. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today. Thank you for visiting Legal CPN, and welcome to the inner circle.
You can call it soulless, you can call it greedy, whatever it is, I don't care. I just bought my dream car at 24 years old.